What's the meaning of accidental? Accidental. 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 The word accidental can be used to describe something that happens by chance or unexpectedly. It can also be used to describe something that is not planned or intended. In music, an accidental is a sign that is placed before a note to indicate a chromatic alteration of its pitch. The result of something being accidental can vary depending on the situation. In some cases, an accidental event can be harmful or even fatal. However, in other cases, an accidental event can lead to positive outcomes. For example, an accidental discovery can lead to a new scientific breakthrough. Overall, the word accidental can be used to describe a wide range of events, both positive and negative. The result of an accidental event will depend on the specific circumstances of the event.